Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication. With thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Mga paturan ang inuminig, stop worrying. Talk to God about everything, and He will give you the right keys to open that secret door sa imong mga pagpusuan. So, Ellen G. White said that when you really trust God, trials do not disturb Him, slight not fix it. Makuturang, maski ano pa nakadako, ang gamay ng problema, hindi tatasin ng kabot, hindi tatasin down or makasubo, kahit ang nakaara ang Ginoo sa ato. So, makuturang, ang Ginoo ko subo kung nakafeel ko